Good morning. This one. Alright, it's another beautiful day outside. We're out here ripping it. Now this is a day in my life. This is basically what I'm doing all summer. Wake up, go scooter, record, and then edit the video. And then I'm almost done with the day. And I just repeat it almost every single day. We're back at the infamous river. You know, I kind of want to get down there, but I don't think I'm ready. Maybe if I get a bigger fan base, I'll go down there, because that looks amazing. I mean, it's got some river rocks and crap. That seems cool to check out. I'll do that maybe later. Shit. Oh, I hit my foot on the back there. That scared me. It like vibrated my foot, and I thought I was dying. I just realized I'm probably killing the suspension every time I do that. That is honestly fine though. Okay, there's kids here. I gotta watch it. Oh, is this wet? Aw, the damn sprinklers came through. Oh, my crock is wet. Holy crap, dude. I mean, now that my wheels are wet, the only logical thinking here is to do a wheelie. Now, last time we went right, so I think I'm gonna go left this time. Okay, here's where I really gotta be careful. I can't see crap around this corner. It's a cat, bruh. Oh shit. Can't get too distracted. This is a weird, where am I? Alright, I'm gonna go down to 15 miles an hour. Because I'm honestly, I don't want to get hit. Sounds like there's people this way. Yo, I feel like I'm in a corn maze right now. Like it's just surprises everywhere. I want to see where that cat went. He went like down here, I think. Oh, it's a big hill. Second power. Oh, we got that. Easy. That's money. Oh, I almost just ran over a cat. Shit. That's the one thing you get in Utah is a bunch of cat shit everywhere. Hell, even shit in general. You could see people shit. There's more shit right there. You could see horse shit. You could see bullshit everywhere in Utah. So we're gonna go on the no unauthorized vehicles trail here, where there's a bunch of sewage water on the ground. And I ran over sewage water and it got on my foot, and now I'm probably gonna slip out because of the sewage water. And all right. Caution, wash for cars? Not really. For every single sign, somebody had to do it. So if you see a sign that says watch out for road or watch for cars on a road, somebody didn't watch for cars on a damn road. But this is basically my life. I mean, I go outside, and I do this for my entire life. This is what I do now. Here, I'll talk about my braking. When I brake, I don't push like this. I don't pull. Yeah, I don't pull like this. I grab it and I move my body backwards. You get a much steadier brake and you won't crash. Oh hell, this place looks cool as shit. I just realized getting up here is gonna be a nightmare because this thing is downhill. I think I just doomed myself. I just saw a big pile of dog shite. Alright. I gotta pay attention and not talk about shit. I think in every single one of my videos so far, I've mentioned a pile of shit. This bridge looks sketch. You know, I was talking about that one river. Maybe we'll check out this river. I don't know if this is like sewage or not, but we'll check it out if I want to in another video. This seems like a cool hill to come down. I'm gonna turn left into this neighborhood. I want to see what it has to offer. No dumping. Tell that to the horses and the dogs. That's probably the most beautiful Tesla I've ever seen. Everyone's whining like, oh, they're not fast, their top speed sucks, the only thing they're good at is acceleration. Where else are you gonna go 200 miles an hour other than like a racetrack? On the highway? Maybe, but I mean, who would really do that? Oh, I got something in my eye and it hurts. Oh, shit. All right. It is much brighter without the goggles off. Holy crap. I can actually see crap. Oh, oh, I kind of want to try a wheelie up this ridge. Let's try it, let's try it. If I fall back, I guess it's fine. I didn't even get it up. How about down? I feel like down's gonna be a little bit harder. Okay, let's try one more time. Oh my, okay, I got air. Shit. It is about 6:30, so I'm gonna have to wrap the video up there. So, if you guys did enjoy, subscribe, like the video. Just watching it helps. That's about it. All right, see ya.